The prefix Brady dash means A. Fast, B. Slow, C. Short, D. Large. Answer B. Brady dash means slow. For example, bradycardia refers to a slow heart rate. The suffix ectomy refers to A. Surgical removal, B. Inflammation, C. Enlargement, D. Pain. Answer A. Ectomy means surgical removal or excision, as in appendectomy, removal of the appendix. The term hepatomegaly refers to A. Inflammation of the stomach, B. Enlargement of the liver, C. Disease of the lungs, D. Stone in the kidney. Answer B. Hepato- means liver and megaly means enlargement, so hepatomegaly means enlarged liver. The root word nephr/o refers to A. Lung, B. Kidney, C. Brain, D. Blood. Answer B. The combining form nephr/o relates to the kidney, as seen in nephrology, study of kidneys. The medical term tachypnea means A. Slow breathing, B. Normal breathing, C. Rapid breathing, D. No breathing. Answer C. Tachy- means fast and knee means breathing, so tachypnea means rapid breathing. The suffix itis indicates A. Infection, B. Inflammation, C. Tumor, D. Cutting. Answer B. Itis means inflammation, such as in arthritis, inflammation of a joint. The prefix hypo- means A. Above normal, B. Below normal, C. Same, D. Around. Answer B. Hypo- means below or deficient, as in hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. The combining form os/o refers to A. Muscle, B. Bone, C. Nerve, D. Skin. Answer B. Os/o refers to bone, as in osteoporosis, porous bones. The term dermatology means A. Study of diseases, B. Study of skin, C. Study of tissues, D. Study of blood. Answer B. Dermat/o means skin, and logi means study of, so dermatology is the study of the skin. The prefix poly- means A. One, B. Many, C. None, D. Half. Answer B. Poly- means many, as in polyuria, excessive urination. The root word cardi/o relates to A. Liver, B. Heart, C. Brain, D. Lungs. Answer B. Cardi/o means heart, as in cardiologist, heart specialist. The suffix algia means A. Disease, B. Pain, C. Swelling, D. Discharge. Answer B. Algia means pain, as in neuralgia, nerve pain. The term cyanosis refers to A. Yellowing of the skin, B. Bluish discoloration of the skin, C. Redness of the skin, D. Paleness of the skin. Answer B. Cyan/o means blue and osis means condition, so cyanosis means a bluish discoloration. The prefix peri- means A. Around, B. Inside, C. Before, D. Above. Answer A. Peri dash means around, as in pericardium, membrane surrounding the heart. The root my/o refers to A. Bone, B. Muscle, C. Skin, D. Heart. Answer B. My/o means muscle, such as in myopathy, muscle disease.